But we have grouped it into four major groups. So I know some of you are familiar with this. So the first one is the natural food environment, where this includes the wild food environment, kung saan po kinukuha natin yung pagkain natin for free, such as forests, seas, rivers, or open areas, as well as those cultivated, such as from farms or garden. The other one is the traditional food stores. And this includes the talipapa or the wet markets, mobile vendors, karinderya or turo-turo, main public market or yung pamilihang bayan, street food vendors, sari-sari stores, and other small retailers. The other major group is the modern food stores, which includes the supermarket or hypermarkets, convenience and grocery stores, fast food restaurants, and all other types of restaurants, single food item or specialty store, and online vendors. And lastly, you also take into consideration other unique food environment here in the Philippines, such as those in institutions and public procurement, such as those in school and hospital cafeterias, food transfer including food aids, food gifts, as well as community pantry, and other unique food environment in the Philippines, such as pasabay, barter, and the vendo machine. And now this is where the providing study gets interesting. So let us first look into the availability of food environment among household. So this slide shows the nearest food environment types among household by place of residence. So when we say nearest, this is approximately 20 minutes walk from the household to the nearest food environment. Alright? So as you can see here, natural food environments such as cultivated and wild source dominates in the rural area. Sari-sari stores are common in both rural and urban areas, providing basic food items. Prepared food sources like karinderya, turo-turo, public markets, talipapa, and street vendors are more frequent in urban areas, offering cooked meals and fresh, ready-to-cook foods. While modern outlets are far more prevalent in urban than rural areas, reflecting a greater access to commercial or processed foods. Other food environment types exist but are limited in both settings.